Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Real English News. This is Sharif Akram Yamani. Let's have a look on today's headlines. Chandrababu Naidu take an oath as new Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister today. Deputy Chief Minister Mohammad Mahmood Ali, Assembly Affairs and Irrigation Minister T. Harish Rao and Transport Minister P. Mahendra Reddy taken an oath at Secretariat Chambers here respectively. Greater Noida 4 detained for murder of BJP leader Vijay Pandit. Hyderabad Passport Seva Kendra to serve Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Greater Hyderabad gives a warm welcome to the winner of the Mount Everest, Purna and Anand. Shoaib Akhtar to marry 17-year-old. Let's have a look on headlines in details. Chandrababu Naidu to take an oath as new Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister today. Telugu Desam Party TDP President N. Chandrababu Naidu will be sworn in as the first Chief Minister of New Andhra Pradesh at a grand function hall today. Governor E.S.L. Narasimhan will administer the oath of office and secrecy to Mr. Naidu at a public function to be held at Nagarjuna between Vijayawada and Guntur at 7:27 p.m. Some cabinet ministers will also be sworn in, but their exact number is not yet known. A host of dignitaries, including 17 union ministers, 6 chief ministers of various states, film stars and veteran BJP leaders like L.K. Advani and Murali Manohar Joshi, beside chief ministers of Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Odisha, Punjab and Goa are expected to attend, a sources news. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister attendance is not confirmed yet, according to Chief Secretary I.Y.R. Krishna Rao and Director General of Police J.V. Ramdu. Telugu Desam Party, that is Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao and YSR Congress President Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy will not be attending the swearing in, though Mr. Naidu has extended personal invitation to them. Soon after an oath Mr. Naidu has signed relating to aware crops, loan to farmers and also loan to women self-help groups.
Nenu Nara Chandrababu Naidu ane nenu శాసనం ద్వారా నిర్మితమైన భారత రాజ్యాంగం పట్ల నిజమైన విశ్వాసం విధేయత చూపుతానని భారతదేశ సార్వభౌమాధికారాన్ని సమగ్రతను కాపాడుతానని ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రిగా నా కర్తవ్యాలను శ్రద్ధతో అంతఃకరణ శుద్ధితో నిర్వహిస్తానని
Deputy Chief Minister Mahmood Ali, Assembly Affairs and Irrigation Minister T. Harish Rao and Transport Minister P. Mahendra Reddy today taken a charge at Secretariat Chambers here respectively. Deputy Chief Minister Mohammad Mahmood Ali said that TRS government would give top priority for comprehensive development and beautification of Hyderabad. Speaking to the media person after taking charge of the State Secretariat here, Mr. Mahmood Ali said that the government would end discrimination.
मैं आवाम से वायदा करता हूँ जो मुझे रेवेन्यू मिनिस्ट्री दी गई है और स्टाम्प रजिस्ट्रेशन की जो मिनिस्ट्री दी गई है, यकीनन इसके लिए मैं हत्तल इम्कान कोशिश करते हुए डिसिप्लिन में काम करूँगा और यहाँ गरीब आवाम के जो मसाइल है, तमाम मसाइल को हल करने में फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस दी जाएगी। तमाम कलेक्टरों से बात की जाएगी, तमाम कमिश्नरों से बात की जाएगी, प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी से बात की जाएगी, उनके साथ मीटिंग करते हुए इसमें जो खामियां हैं डिपार्टमेंट में उसे दूर किया जाएगा। यकीनन काफ़ी ज़माने से माहौल कुछ अलग था, आज का माहौल कुछ अलग हो चुका है। आज एक ऐसा अच्छा माहौल पैदा करना चाह रहे हैं केसीआर साहब कि जिससे डिसिप्लिन भी पैदा हो और तमाम गरीब आवाम की खिदमत हो। इसलिए मैं तमाम भाइयों का शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ और अल्लाह ताला से दुआ करता हूँ कि तेलंगाना राष्ट्र समिति को जो काम करने का मौका दिया गया है उसमें कामयाबी अता हो। और मैं आवाम से भी अपील करता हूँ और सरकारी मुलाजिमीन से अपील करता हूँ कि हमारे साथ कोऑपरेट कीजिए। यकीनन सरकारी मुलाजिमीन का जो महकमा है वो हमारे साथ मिलजुल कर एक फैमिली मेम्बर की तरह काम करें और दयानतदारी से काम करें, तो ये तेलंगाना कुछ सालों के अंदर हिंदुस्तान में नंबर 1 स्टेट बनेगी। ये बहुत जल्द, ऐसा नहीं है, ये साबिका में भी निज़ाम स्टेट के जो कारनामे वही कारनामे हम लाते हैं, उस तरह से हुकूमत करना चाहते हैं जिसका नाम सेकुलरिज्म है।
सर एक बात ये है कि आम आवाम से आप मुलाकात करेंगे?
डेफिनेट करेंगे,
वापस करेंगे?
देखिए साहब,
आम लोग जो आपसे मिल सके।
देखिए साहब, ये सिर्फ प्रिंसिपल सेक्रेटरी या कलेक्टर तक महदूद नहीं रहेगा, डिपार्टमेंट के नीचे के लेवल तक लोगों से मैं रब्त पैदा करूंगा और उसके साथ साथ अवामी जो सरपंच है, अवामी के जो नुमाइंदे हैं और अवाम से भी डायरेक्ट मुलाकात करते हुए उनके जो मसाइल हैं, उन्हें जो तकलीफ है और उनको राहतकारी के लिए जो काम किया जाएगा, और डेफिनेट रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट एक अहम डिपार्टमेंट है, ये अहम कलमदान है, इससे हम जहाँ तक हो सके अगर अच्छी तरीके से कारकर्दगी करेंगे तो गरीब अवाम तक फायदा पहुँचेगा।
Harvesh maintained that they will improve marketing facilities in 29th state of Telangana, which will be transformed into seed bowl of India. Thus, the TRS government will provide better marketing facilities for farmers to sell their produce anywhere in the country, he said.
చిన్న రాష్ట్రాలను ఏర్పాటు చేసేటువంటి ప్రక్రియను సరళంగా సులభతరంగా ఏర్పాటు చేసుకునే విధంగా రాజ్యాంగాన్ని రచించినటువంటి గొప్ప వ్యక్తి డాక్టర్ బాబాసాహెబ్ అంబేద్కర్ గారు. ఇవాళ డాక్టర్ బాబాసాహెబ్ అంబేద్కర్ గారి దయ వల్ల ప్రజాస్వామ్యబద్ధంగా రాజ్యాంగబద్ధంగా తెలంగాణ రాష్ట్ర ఏర్పాటు సాధ్యమైంది. అందుకే నా మొట్టమొదటి సంతకం హైదరాబాదులోని బోయినపల్లి కూరగాయల మార్కెట్కు డాక్టర్ బాబాసాహెబ్ అంబేద్కర్ మార్కెట్గా దాన్ని పేరును నిర్ణయం తీసుకుంటూ మొదటి సంతకం చేయడం జరిగింది.
To top tide over losses, P. Mahendra Reddy said so to the top Transport Minister. Mahendra Reddy stated that efforts will be made to overcome the problem of losses being suffered by TSRTC. We are not taking any decision on RTC bus fare hike, he clarified. RTC is new Telangana state will sure surpass all odds and become benefit-making corporation, he maintained. Reacting on merger of RTC into the government, he said that the issue will be taken to the notification of the Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao and taken up into the cabinet.
ప్రతి 3 నెలలకు ఒకసారి అన్ని బస్సులు కూడా వాటిని చెక్ చేసి పంపించాలని చెప్పేసి, అదేవిధంగా ఈ తెలంగాణ 10 జిల్లాల్లో బస్ డిపోలు కూడా ఇంకా 30 నుంచి 50 డిపోలు కూడా కొత్తగా శాంక్షన్ ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతున్నది. ముఖ్యంగా ఇప్పుడు ఈ బస్ డిపోలు కూడా చాలా సగం వరకు ఆగి ఉన్నాయి. అవన్నీ కూడా కంప్లీట్గా పూర్తి చేస్తాం. ఇంకా కూడా చాలామంది అడుగుతున్నారు.
Greater Noida, 4 detained for murder of BJP leader Vijay Pandit. 4 people have been detained by the police in connection with the murder of BJP leader Vijay Pandit. They are being questioned right now. Mr. Pandit, 37, was shot dead allegedly by 4 unidentified persons in Dadri area on Saturday night, after which a mob set ablaze 16 vehicles near a police station in protest. The assailants came onto motorcycles and held the pistol at Mr. Pandit's temple and mount and shoot him dead when he was returning home from his brother's shop at Brahmpuri at around 8:30 p.m. Sources from police. Thereafter, they fired several rounds and one bullet hit the victim's chest too. Mr. Pandit, former district BJP vice president, fell down bleeding. The assailants then fired in the air to scare away the people in the area, fled abandoning one motorcycle. The villagers and BJP leader, after hearing about the incident, reached the site and mob set ablaze around 16 vehicles near Dadri Kotwali on GT Road. Hyderabad Passport Seva Kendra to serve Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. With Hyderabad being the joint capital of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh for a period of 10 years, the regional passport office, that is RPO in Hyderabad, will continue to issue passports for the applicant from both the states. Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh also has a passport office serving the needs of 5 North coastal districts, including West Godavari, East Godavari, Visakhapatnam, Srikakulam and Prakasam. The Visakhapatnam office may thus be asked to cater to the needs of AP in the coming years. Applicant continue to submit forms in any Passport Seva Kendra in all the states. The first passport in the new state of Telangana was issued on June 2. Passport official said the software automatically changed Andhra Pradesh, India to Telangana, India on the last page of the booklet. New passports replicating AP with Telangana will be issued for the resident of Hyderabad, Rangareddy, Nizamabad, Karimnagar, Warangal, Adilabad, Khammam, Medak, Mehbubnagar and Nalgonda district. There are currently 5 Passport Seva Kendras in Telangana, 3 in Hyderabad, Amirpet, Begumpet and Tulichoki, and 1 each in Nizamabad and Karimnagar. A mini PSK also functions in Karimnagar district. Greater Hyderabad gives heroes a warm welcome to Purna and Anand, the Mount Everest winners. Malwant Purna and Sandhanpalli Anand Kumar, the 2 youngest stars who scaled the Mount Everest, were given warm reception on their arrival at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport at Shamshabad by Greater Hyderabad Youth Association. 13-year-old Purna and 16-year-old Anand were brought into the city in a bike rally by Greater Hyderabad Youth Association activists. Grand reception was according to the youngsters at historic Charminar, where a stage was set. Speaking on the occasion, Greater Hyderabad Youth Association President Mr. Mahmood Irfan said the achievement of both the youngsters was highly inspirational. He complimented them on the scaling the Mount Everest and hoped that they would scale great heights in their individual careers. Greater Hyderabad Youth Association Mr. President Dilshad, Joint Secretary Samir Waliullah, Lahiq Mohyuddin Naeem and others were also present. Students of Narayana Concept Schools and children sang national anthem on the occasion.
हाज़रीन, आज जिस काम के लिए हम यहाँ जमा हुए हैं, बहुत खुशी की बात है कि एक बच्ची जो इंतहाई कम उम्र है और 13 साल की उम्र में उसने हिमालय की बुलंदी पर पहुंचा और अपने माँ बाप का और अपनी कम्युनिटी का नाम रोशन किया।
Shoaib Akhtar, the maverick Pakistani cricket player, decided to marry 17-year-old girl. Shoaib Akhtar, the maverick Pakistani player Paker, will turn 39 in August. He was recently seen on TV during the Indian Premier League. Once the most feared fast bowler in the world, Shoaib Akhtar has finally decided to marry. The Rawalpindi Express, who has last played an international match in March 2011, will reportedly marry 17-year-old Rubaba, the daughter of a businessman. Akhtar, who was recently seen on TV as an expert during the IPL League 2014, has been headlined several times during the 15-year-old international career, both with cricketing exploits and off-field endeavours. His upcoming wedding in the 3rd week of June will surely grab the spotlight once again. According to the reports in Pakistan media, Akhtar is visiting his hometown Rawalpindi on June 12 to finalize the date and details of the wedding with Rubaba, who has 3 elder brothers and a younger sister. Rubaba appeared in intermediate examination in Ahmedabad only last month. Let's have a look on the top stories of today's sports news. Wales wants Indian team to have self-belief. Indian coach Terry Wales wants Indian team to have self-belief as it braces for the last preliminary league fixtures against defending champion Australian in the FIFA Men's World Cup here on Monday. Clay made my day, says Maria Sharapova. Raid on the hard courts of Russia and Florida and happiest on the grass green of Wimbledon. The biggest name in women's sports is late convert to the joy of sleepy red surface. She once described her early outdoing of clay as being akin to a cow on ice, but since her thrilling 6-4, 7-2, 6-7, 5-7, 6-4 win over Romany Simone held yesterday in the finest Paris final in the many years, she is now a clay court legend. Ecuador president expects big role from team in the world. Ecuadorian football veteran FEF La Tricolor will travel to Brazil on June 9 and play against Switzerland on June 15. Ecuador will also face Honduras and France in Group EP. Probably play 2 years longer, says Ponting. Former Australian captain Ricky Ponting, who retired in 2012, had said he delayed his international retirement by 2 years in his bid to help the team deal with generational shift. 5 DDCA Sunil Dev appointed manager of England-bound Indian team. Dev has been the team manager on 2 previous tours. He was the manager when the team toured South Africa in 1996 to 1997, before taking the responsibility once again during the triumphant 2007-2020 World Cup campaign in the same country. India's tour of England will start with a couple of 2-day warm-up games from June 26 before the team takes on the host side in a 5th match test series. The series is scheduled from July 9 to August 19. Let's have a look on today's stock market. Stock market for today is as follows. Sensex 25,396.46 with 1.51%, whereas Nifty for today stands with 7,583.40 with 1.46%. Indices surged 5% for the reality metal hog Lime. Market railed the first week of June, hitting the record high on Friday, as signals from the Prime Minister and office that the government is keen to improve governance. Aided to the rally on the bourses, the market scaled a fresh closing peak on Friday, with the Sensex and Nifty gaining 5% for the week, indicated June 6, 2014. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Golds, today's gold and silver rates, that's Sunday 8 June, are as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams, it's rupees 25,280, whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams, it's rupees 26,740. Whereas silver rates for today is for 10 grams, it's rupees 435. Let's have a look on today's weather report of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 31 degrees Celsius and maximum 43 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 30 degrees Celsius and maximum 44 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Medak minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Khammam minimum temperature 32 degrees Celsius and maximum 40 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. Chandrababu Naidu take an oath as new Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister today. Deputy Chief Minister Muhammad Mahmood Ali, Assembly Affairs and Irrigation Minister T. Harish Rao and Transport Minister P. Mahendra Reddy taken an oath at Secretariat Chambers here respectively. Greater Noida 4 detained for murder of BJP leader Vijay Pandit. Hyderabad Passport Seva Kendra to serve Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Greater Hyderabad gives a warm welcome to the winner of the Mount Everest, Purna and Anand. Shoaib Akhtar to marry 17-year-old. That's all in this newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. This is Sharif Akram Yamani. Sign off. Till then, Allah Hafiz.